Watch your chicken. You gotta chase your chicken.
Hey, you gotta get the bread, dude.
You gotta make sure you're responsible to get your chicken from that end to here. However you gotta do it. You can't pick them up. I thought you were dumping food. Can I kick it? I am. Don't make a... What about all these chickens? Don't worry about jump the fence for the food.
That's why it's gonna get interesting.
Okay. Go, once I say your name, go over there.
Darren.
Kate, Andy, Mike, and me. Dave, Ryan.
How far?
Okay.
I don't know how far.
I think we're just going to
You're gonna want to be at the finish line.
I know, but
we're going all the way in the field. All the way.
Oh, Mike's got mine. How do we have an extra one? I know. Hey.
Mike has 2.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who else are we missing? Who's not here?
Mike has 2 chickens.
Clay, my dad.
Morgan.
Morgan. You're Morgan.
Okay. I'm Morgan. R. I have an R for Robert Dixon.
Okay,
I'll be Darren. R for Robert Dixon.
All right, Robert.
So Morgan.
Morgan. That's it.
Okay, go down there. Where's the finish line, Scott?
Hey. Shut up.
Where's the finish line?
Right here, at the edge of this fence.
Shut up. You're getting a little eager before the race. You kind of jumped the bullet there. You just
Mine's saving all the time.
So this is the activity that they have planned to pick the order of their draft pick.
How are you going to help my chicken get across?
Leave it
Yeah,
to
I
the
bet.
respiratory therapist to come up with chasing chickens. Or racing chickens.
Mikey's got mine and someone else, and his own. Setting them. Hold on. We're racing to this corner of this fence. We just got to see who comes across the line first.
You got to give it a countdown.
I will. On your mark. Get set. Go. Come on, chicken. Come on, baby.
Oh, it looks like Kate won! It looks like Kate won!
No, you might want to cross first.
First cross first. You second, you third. Ryan 4. Shit. 5. Remember you're 5. Ray, where is it?
Where's your chicken?
Oh, man.
I rather would have been 10.
There you go, Andy. Across the... Kate got first pick.
I'm getting Aaron Foster.
First bag. Oh, my dad.
Where's she at?
And now it is going to be trying... Oh, we got one stuck over in the corner.
That's Robert.
Here comes Robert crossing the finish line.
Jesus.
Heather's stuck over there.
He was like running backwards.
You just said 7.
How many are left?
Heather has one over there, and Mike has one.
All right, so,
Well, one thing we got from this is that Kate got first pick. There you go. There goes Morgan.
Morgan's across.
Morgan's what, 8?
I think 9. No, Jason first.
Yeah, I'm going to lose bread. I knew I wanted that chicken.
Chicken's gone.
That black one is gone.
Where's our list?
Dave's is gone too.
So that's number 10?
Yeah.
That's what
You got 10?
That's a good pick.
Yeah, that's good. You get back-to-back picks.
I like that. That's all right. I strategize.
And that will conclude the chicken race for the order of the draft pick. Congratulations, Kate.
bread in its mouth.
She's Darren.